Well, welcome back to another video, guys. Currently at the gas station waiting for Adam. We are gonna go hit the river. You guys really seem to enjoy that last river video, and I really enjoyed making it. So we're gonna go try the river. This is a couple weeks after my last video that I put out on the river. So hopefully the bite is still. Hopefully the bite got better. So I'm gonna take Adam. He's been asking me to take him. I'm waiting on him, like I said. Once he gets here, we're gonna get started. We're gonna go down there. Hopefully whack some good fish. There is some good fish at the river, as you guys saw in the last video. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get started with today's video. Ready to go get on them, buddy?
Let's do it.
Yep.
A little bit more north.
Right here. This little stretch, and then we'll go somewhere else. Oh! He had my trailer. They're on the rocks. This is why I was telling you I usually catch some giant crappie on jigs, spinner baits, everything. Finally.
Well, don't feel bad either. Might be a crappie.
Look at that. What did I tell you? I told you. This is the crappie spot.
Off the bottom. I was just dragging it.
It's crazy.
There you go. Little old slab.
Good stuff.
Kapow.
There's stumps all through here. But don't worry, I know where most of them are. That's why I bring you out here. So you can tell me what baits don't work. Look at that. Finally got us a bass.
Really? One of those spinner baits.
What do you know? What do you know? We do know how to fish.
Huh. Oh, I thought we were crappie fishing.
Boy, he is cold. Here we go, guys. First fish of the morning. We are actually, not even gonna lie to you guys, 7, 8, 9, 3 hours in, caught our first bass.
We've had plenty of bites.
We've got plenty of bites, but haven't been able to get them in until now. Woo! What a grind. But you gotta love the grind. You gotta respect the grind. Felt good, felt good.
This is a really strong bait here.
Oh,
Another one.
back-to-back cast. No freaking way. We on them, boys. We on them.
Just cut off my spinner bait.
Look how white he is. What'd you call him? There we go, guys. That is number 2 on back-to-back cast.
Why you gotta be white, huh?
Yeah, we go 3 hours without catching a fish and then catch 2 in a row. Ain't that something? So I'm gonna just keep chunking the spinner bait. Yep. What's going on here? I felt a thump. Tell me it's a fish. It is a fish. He was dead? Would you catch a dead fish? It is a fish. Let's go. We've both officially caught bass.
All right. Mission completed.
Yes.
Felt like I was reeling in a wet sock. Look at my fish.
Still got that crankbait tied on. Got some rock over here in my boat ramp.
You should have put in there.
It would have saved us a lot of time. called it. Oh, he is better. There we go. Good stuff.
Oh, Eddie.
You can call shots on the leg. I'll call them at the river.
I'm about to call this crankbait in my hand. Ooh, he almost got me.
Close one.
You don't want to be grabbed. Chill, bro. Ain't a big fish, but it's the biggest one for me today.
Big one for us. Finally went over a pound.
Got that 6-inch crankbait. It'll catch everything, even your t-shirt.
There he is.
Oh man, I ain't even been using the big camera.
No, that's all good.
I totally forgot.
There we go. That's number 3 for me on the spinnerbait. I was just, in my mind, I was barely thinking, I want to throw a jig in there so bad. I said, but I've caught them all on spinnerbait, so I'm going to stick with it.
All of our fish are camo moving bait.
Yep. There he is. Oh, that's a better one. Let's go. Finally got me a decent one. Let's freaking go.
It's the biggest one of the day also.
Yeah, look at that spinnerbait came right out. Check that out, guys. Finally got a decent one in the boat. I'd say what, 2?
Yeah, easy.
Easy 2.
Football.
Man, he thumped it, and everything just went slack on my line. That was pretty cool.
Big.
All right. You just called it too, like 10 seconds ago. You said there got to be one on these trees.
Yeah.
See you later, bud. Oh yeah. Bam. Oh yeah.
Let's see what you was throwing again.
Throwing that old spinnerbait.
Is that a Googan?
The Z-Man spinnerbait.
My first wire.
Yeah, that old light wire. Yeah, I like it so far. I've caught, what, 3, 4 fish with it so far. 4 fish.
Yeah,
So, I like it. Nice little finesse bait. Yep. Oh!
Top water.
Oh!
I'm stuck on the tree.
I'm going. Oh, that's a decent one too. He's still on there. Oh, go, trolling motor, go.
Oh, I fell. Still on there? I think he's gone.
Oh no.
No, he's on there.
He's just. Yeah, he's on.
How on the hook? Right.
I don't even see where he's stuck at anymore. There he is. Oh!
Oh, he's gonna pop off.
He's stuck on that limb. I can't get over there because it's tree.
I don't even know. Yeah. Oh.
Did he come off?
Nope. Yeah, he did. No, he didn't. I don't know
How is he even stuck on there still?
There he is.
Yes. Oh.
Let's go.
That was
Crazy.
That was wild.
Crazy eat, bro.
Not only did you call it, but it happened. That was awesome. I don't know how he didn't break off in that tree. That was wild.
He's pretty hefty.
Yeah, he's healthy. He came out of nowhere.
Let's go, guys.
Woo! That's thing. Football.
Yeah, he's probably 2.5.
That's an NCAA football there.
Got a good little 2-pounder old topwater spinnerbait bite. You know what's up. But we're gonna let him go before we get caught up in this tree. Oh. Come on, old son. He gone.
Nice. Nice. Another good one. Work them. Oh my gosh, the wake. Oh.
I love the river.
You are the man.
There go that kicker. The hammer.
Strikes again.
Strikes again.
Woo! What a fish.
I said, got him. You know, yeah, he just wanted to be hooked. Look, he done caught a Nico rig too. Let's go, guys.
Man, that is a
That's
solid
what I'm
fish.
talking about.
Woo! What a fish.
Oh, did you see that?
He hit it right there too. That's exactly where he hit mine. Oh, I just got another. Oh, what the?
He came back.
That was crazy.
Oh my gosh.
I just got another bite right there too. Right when you were doing that gibberish stuff.
I was like, let me dip it back in the water.
He probably would have smoked that spinnerbait
Boy,
then.
You was hungry, man. You was hungry.
That was crazy.
Backflip.
There he is. Oh, he came off.
He come off.
Put the power poles down. They're definitely chasing. I'm gonna give them something they can chase. Got him that time.
Did you?
Yeah.
Digging.
Look how big this is. Hey, grab the big camera. This is why I was missing him on
He
the.
wasn't getting hooked.
Yeah.
The old crankbait bigger than that.
Oh wow, look how he ate the treble. He got the old vampire teeth.
Oh shoot.
There we go. Get him. There we go. Nice.
Boat flip.
Boat flips only, baby. Boat flips only. We've literally made what? At least 40 casts between both of us in the same point.
Yep.
With the jig.
That's another good one,
Another
guys.
stud, man.
That's
You
what
are
I'm
killing it
talking
today,
about.
brother.
Thanks, man. It's like they knew I needed a little confidence booster for the river.
Boat flips only, baby.
You can't come to the river and not catch them on good.
Yeah. Look at that. Back.
I know.
Yeah.
Stacked.
Stacked in there. Stacked with fatties.
Probably just dangle treble hooks off the bottom of that guy.
Wow. There's one. Got him. Oh, I loved how he bit it too. The way he thumped it. You know when they hit it that hard thump?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that was awesome. I love that kind of jig bite. Not a bad one. They're all help. It looked like the one I just caught. Look, got the same mark.
It might have been. I'm telling you, them fools
He ran
are
over
hungry.
there and then he's like, oh look, the same bait. Well guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Shout out to Adam for coming out with me. You have
You
fun?
know what's up. Oh yeah.
Man, this was finally, I've been bringing Adam out here maybe two other times I think I brought you out here. And both times, it was kind of tough both times. Today we finally got on a good bite. We were able to get on, I guess we got on a little school of them when we started fishing that one little point. You know?
Yeah, they were stacked up.
They were
in there.
stacked in there. Once we found them, it was just game on. We were catching them left and right. Adam caught some really good fish, which you guys just saw. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this river video as much as you did enjoy the other ones. Thank you guys for watching, and most importantly, don't forget to keep it real. It's your boy Eddie, and I'm out. Peace.